Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming Bet Budget King A Series 2026 mobile phones, the Samsung Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37 hands-on videos leak online, revealing final design ahead of official launch. Both models will get awesome new color shades and hardware improvements. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is expected to launch the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A37 and Samsung Galaxy A57 later this month. Recently, official-looking renders from multiple angles were leaked online, showing the design of both smartphones in different color options. Now, fresh leaks in the form of hands-on videos have appeared online. Alleged videos were shared by a user named Bradley on X. The videos appear to have first surfaced on TikTok. The clips show the overall design and key physical elements of both smartphones. In the unboxing and hands-on video, the Galaxy A37 appears in a green color option. The device features a flat display with noticeable bezels and a hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera. The handset also includes Samsung's key island design, where the power and volume buttons are placed on a slightly raised section on the right side of the frame. On the back, the phone includes a triple rear camera setup, positioned in the top left corner. The cameras are vertically aligned, while the LED flash sits outside the camera module. The hands-on video also shows the Galaxy A57 in a purple color variant. The device appears to share a very similar design to the Galaxy A37. It features a flat display with a centrally positioned hole punch cutout for the selfie camera. However, the bezels on the Galaxy A57 seem slightly thinner compared to those on the Galaxy A37. The smartphone also uses the same Key Island 2.0 design on the right side for the power and volume buttons. At the back, the Galaxy A57 also appears to include a triple camera setup arranged vertically, similar to the Galaxy A37. The LED flash is positioned outside the camera island here as well. In terms of display, the Galaxy A57 is expected to offer a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A37 could feature a slightly larger 6.7-inch display with the same resolution and refresh rate. Under the hood, the Galaxy A57 is said to be powered by the Samsung Exynos 1680 chipset. The Galaxy A37, on the other hand, is expected to run on the Samsung Exynos 1480 processor. The new Galaxy A series devices are expected to launch later this month. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.